Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have a video especially for beginners. Don't worry if you're currently feeling like you are really bad at trading. Everyone starts somewhere and we've all been there. If you're not doing well in trading yet, you must understand this. Trading without proper knowledge and training is very difficult. Think of it like learning to cook. If you never learn proper cooking methods, the dishes you create won't taste good and your friends probably won't enjoy your food. Trading is exactly the same. To improve, you need to learn properly from people who truly know how it works. Watch real professionals in action and be careful choosing who you learn from. Don't follow random signals or traders online without knowing if they are genuinely successful. Always look for trusted sources, people who actually show their real trades and results. Also, never underestimate psychology. Many traders succeed in demo trading but lose money in real life because their emotions take control. For example, traders usually enter fewer trades, cut winners too early, or panic and exit too soon. This isn't about the broker or market being against you. Often, the problem is psychological and comes from within. If you find you've learned strategies and methods but still aren't profitable, invest some time working on psychological skills. Trading psychology can be learned and improved, and it can completely transform your trading success. Don't be arrogant or overconfident. Accept that you have weaknesses and work actively to improve them. So, to summarize clearly, if you feel you're bad at trading, here's what you should do: learn properly, practice with serious mentors, choose trusted resources, and importantly, manage your emotions and master your psychology. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.